This is where we gotta put them all in.
This is huge.
This right here is called a seine net. Oh, we're gonna catch something. Look at this.
They're all right here. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh.
We rescued that one from the food market.
Oh, right there, right there.
No.
Right there.
Get him.
Woo-wee! Yeah, baby! Monster Pacu. Mother Nature is one beautiful thing, huh?
That was awesome. Oh my god.
First Pacu, Nick.
Yeah.
First one for the pond.
The biggest fish in the pond.
And there's many more. What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video. Today we have some epic plans. It's a crazy video to say the least. I do want to, before I start today's video, say thank you to our sponsor, myself, Cuffaro.com. Thank you so much to all the people who have been ordering merch. I just want to shout out a couple names, maybe like 10 names. There is a lot of you that have been ordering. So thank you to every single individual one of you ordering merch on Cuffaro.com. But let me just rip through some. Don Reed, Seth Raymond, Jason Hook, Jamie Holly, Jeremy Mann, Theresa Wright, Tina, Tiffany, Simon King. Thank you so much to everyone. There's a lot of orders and I appreciate it. Mwah. Check out the merch, go browse the website. There is a lot of cool stuff and I'm just dropping new banger designs by the day. So go check it out. Maybe your name will be featured on an upcoming video. I should probably start doing these. Actually kind of cool. We're here at Aquarium Shop getting our pond. Where is it?
This is way bigger than I thought it was.
This is where we gotta put them all in.
This is huge.
This is the exact same pond I used to transfer all the fish over to the 3,600 gallon a couple months ago. Yeah, there's no way that fits in that truck.
Okay. It wouldn't fit if it was someone else, but because it's us, it's gonna fit.
I love that attitude. Let's get this done. Are you copying my shot?
No. I was here first. Whoa! Look at that thing! Woo! Yeah! What are you doing now?
I ordered this on Amazon. It doesn't look big. I haven't even opened this thing yet, so for all we know, we could open this and it could be too small. This right here is called a seine net. Actually, when we were in North Carolina years and years ago, we filmed something just like this. Wow. It was a crazy experience, except for this time we're doing it with predatory fish. Pacu, gar, peacock bass, who knows, tilapia. We're gonna catch all sorts of stuff inside this pond today. One of the craziest videos. I've had this planned for over like 6 months now. This net itself took months to get here, so this has been in the works. It's finally happening today. This is the old PC farm, literally. We used to live here, Cuffaros. We were literally here every day. This guy used to come visit. This is the old crib. We've been wanting to do this for so long.
I'm so excited, you have no idea.
Oh, we're gonna catch something. Look at this. My goodness, 30 feet long.
Dude, this is gonna be freaking epic, bro. We're gonna catch so much in this, dude, I don't think you understand. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. They all got out.
There was definitely something.
Yeah, I saw some. All right, let's go back across. All right, we were learning.
Right.
Every single run is a learn. We can go this way now.
What is crazy is we all have no clue what's in this water. Paul's throwing stuff in there, friends of his, neighbors. There could be anything in there. Legit pond monsters in here, so hopefully we get it out.
Dude, this is insane. It's a lot harder than I thought, to be honest. Oh! Pacu! The Pacu! They're all right here. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Walk it like this. Stuck. Well, we had a Pacu.
There you go. Yeah,
Look how beautiful that is.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful peacock
Oh
bass.
yeah, right there. That looks really good.
We're gonna put this guy back because it's not what we're looking for. Look at Brenton!
Not let him go.
You know, he got out of the net and I had a wrestling match with him under the water.
I got these Pacu when they were like 3 inches long, grew them, put them in here, and now they're massive.
Another Pacu?
Beast, absolute stud. Going in. All right.
Yep, it is.
Oh,
Go.
Dude, I fought with that fish for so long.
Bro, why don't we just put everything?
There's a lot of these small Mayan cichlids right here.
There it is. There's one. I'm keeping them on the bottom. Albino. Pull.
oh, right there.
No! Get him! Good save. Nice. Good save.
Oh, usually you'd fight these fish on a hook and then you bring them in, they're tired. These are just straight up netted out of the water. Look at the size of that pacu right there. Look at the face. Woo-wee! Big old red belly. A couple big tilapia. We rescued that one from the food market. It was a lot smaller than that. Now he's nice and healthy. What a video, huh? Smash that like button. Round number 4, 5, 6, I don't even know what round. We got nothing on that walk. Golly. Dude, they're pulling, look at.
You can see it.
Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby!
There you go.
Woo!
Oh my goodness. Oh. Why?
Look at that.
Look at the size of them baby gills.
Monster Pacu.
Okay.
All right, it has been about 30 minutes of straight seining. Seining. 4 red belly pacu inside the pool. I believe there's only 4 of that color. I don't know what I was thinking here. There's a lot more than 4 pacu. Now there is 1 albino that's still in this pond somewhere. We're in search for that 1 albino. Sorry to steal him from you, man.
Sorry, man. We're used to you stealing our stuff.
I remember literally releasing them in here when they were just like this big. And now we catch them out of the seine. I haven't seen them in months and they're like that. Just shows you how crazy these fish grow. But I can't wait to get back in the water here in just a sec and do a little bit more seining. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Bring him in.
Oh my God, there's so many pacu! There was like 3 others! I did not know I had that many. Oh, there's like 3 others!
Alright, relax.
Like Ed mentioned, these fish are not being reeled in. They have all their energy when we net them. Holy moly. There's 2 others that got out. Oh, there's so many in here. All right. Holy camera got so. Oh my gosh. I said 4 pacu, that's 6 now, and there was 2 more, at least 1 or 2 more. Guys, this is one of the most crazy videos we've ever made. I feel like lately we've been just doing different, you know? We've been just doing it different. Subscribe, it's simple, just 1 click of a button. You'll get to see stuff like this. How you doing, Anthony?
Here we go, Cuffaros.
Let's go! That's huge! That's huge!
Holy moly. These are the biggest things I've ever seen in my life. This is a once-in-a-lifetime type of experience. Monster pacus.
Oh, chill.
Look at that. Oh yeah. The biggest one yet. There is a total of 8 pacu now. There is an albino in there still. Still an albino. I think we're gonna give it 1 more swoop after this. And then my brain is kind of telling me that the albino is either hiding under the dock or he turned into a different color. Like straight up, we've seen this thing so many times in a row and have not got it yet. These fish in here are so healthy because there's so much bait. So like this bass, for instance, you'll see how thick his tail is. That's a perfect fish to bring back to the pond. Dump 4.0. Right there.
Wait, there's something in the net still.
What's that?
Mine's different.
How many did you put in here, bro?
How many are in here,
Different
Jordan?
color, it's not.
Oh my God.
Oh, his fin went into my neck.
I'm telling you, that albino is under that dock, Brendan.
Oh yeah, it's bleeding a lot.
Beast! I'm kind of like mind blown. It really doesn't make me look too good that I don't know how many are in here. But truthfully, I thought I put like 4 and then now there's 9.
Got 1 more. Yes.
We've been doing this for like an hour and a half. Just chasing fish, chasing monster pacu. Absolutely insane. Brent, let's try that again. They're under there. Oh my goodness, that was a tilapia. Oh! How beautiful that fish is. The colors are just insane. Mother Nature is one beautiful thing, huh? Going back in though, there's a couple peacock bass in here. That's the 3rd one of this.
Hey, VZ fan.
That fish right there.
All right, let's run it back. Come on. Bless us. Tilapia only.
Ear. I won't lie, we were defeated by the albino pacu. If you want to see this again, we will come back with the seine net and try to get the albino. It's in here somewhere. If they catch it, they're gonna let me know. I'll come pick it up. But we just couldn't get it. We sat here for hours. I mean, 3 hours of just seining, back, forth, nothing. So we have the seine net here. Got the aerator on all 9 of the pacu right now. Before we head out of here quite yet. How you doing, buddies? You're doing so good. And now this enclosure is actually empty, and they moved all the pigs from here over to where Lady May and Mango used to be. Oh, look at Dad. You got so big. You look just like Twisty. And there's Willow. And they are just as food hungry as usual. I just wanted to show you guys them before I dipped on out of here. What a mission. Absolutely crazy, crazy mission. Unfortunately, couldn't get the albino, but like I said, we will be back. All right, Brenton. Well, this is really hot. Sorry, this is really homey. That wasn't what I thought it was gonna be. I have my phone! Okay, everything's gonna be just fine. We made it to Nick's house. Got Nick with a net. Let me get one of the largest ones. Wow. They will all find each other in this pond and then start schooling. It's so great to have you film my videos, David.
I know, it feels good to be back, man.
A couple years, huh? First pacu, Nick.
Yeah.
First one for the pond.
This is the biggest fish in the pond.
And there's many more. There you go, buddy.
Dude, that is gonna be
so sick.
Yeah.
How deep?
15 feet.
Oh my goodness. There you go.
That's a good looking one right there.
Woo! Oh
Gosh, I've been in the gym lately, man.
Yeah. Full workout. These are like 15-pound fish.
No, they're more than that.
Are they?
Yeah, probably 25.
25?
That's a pretty one.
So beautiful. What the? This one's gonna jump. 2 more pacu going in. Missiles! He literally was ready to go over there. That was awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These fish are so aggressive. Oh, they're so strong. So strong.
And there he is. What is, oh my, look at this guy.
Got another one.
He's gone. Boom. Wow. That's epic.
Oh, okay. It's moving. Let me get one more. Let me get one. Come on, Paul. Go, go, go. I'll meet you down there. Okay. Oh. You ain't going nowhere. Don't fall. Did you lose him? He's gone.
You know, I just said I was getting a picture and this guy just goes flying to the
Oh, God. There goes the camera. It's gone.
I'm sorry.
He's just gonna come right out. You got him?
You got it? I don't know if I got that. But I gave it a try. Hopefully the underwater footage is good. Successful! Thank you so much, Cuffaros, for watching this epic seining pacu video. We're coming for that albino next. Subscribe down below, smash the like button. Shout out to everyone here. Oh my God! We'll see you in the next one. Peace!